In this video, we will show you how to create a chart in Wincross Executive. First, log into your account. Click on Charts, either from your home page or from the tabulation menu. Choose your data set. Click on New. Give it a name. We'll stick with a column chart. In this video, we will be working with a standard chart. And the chart's name is Education, so let's pick Education. Education has been added as our series component. The category component you can think of as sort of like the banner in a crosstab. Just for grins, we'll go ahead and add our income component, and you'll see how complex the chart gets really quick here. So we'll take him back off. But this shows you that you can either run your chart in total or go as complex as you want. Let's go to chart options. Here you can change your type to something other than a column. Change your width and height. Give it a title. Save. Charts have a myriad of options. We won't be going over all of those today, but you can see here that they are quite customizable. Let's go to our Run Options tab. Here you can use a weight variable, enter a filter. You can also change your value type here. We'll stick with vertical percent. On to the Appearance tab. Here you can choose different themes that have already been set up. Or you can customize everything yourself. Additionally, if you want to see what the chart looks like a different way, you can quickly swap your rows and your columns. Swap back. That's it for the preview. Let's run it. And here you have your chart. Much like a crosstab, you can create a private link to share with your clients. You can also show it as a crosstab. For more complex charts, it can help to show it as a crosstab to see where it's getting its numbers from. Go back to a chart. And that is how to create a chart in Wincross Executive. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you next time.